this might be the most talked about item at your event. Does your charger do that? We stay connected anytime, anywhere. Low battery, instant panic. So instead of giving something people might forget, why not give them something they will use daily? This is a sleek, retractable 3-in-1 charging cable. Apple, Android, Type-C, charging 3 devices at the same time. It fits in a pocket, travels in a laptop bag, or ready to use on their desk. This isn't a one-time giveaway. It becomes part of their daily routine. It doesn't just sit in a drawer. It powers their day. And every time their battery runs low, your brand steps in to save the day. This isn't just any cable. It's built with durable, premium braided cords, strong, flexible, made to last. No flimsy wires, no throwaway feel. The retractable design keeps it neat and tangle-free. Just clean, modern, practical. And visually, it looks incredible. Fully customized with high-resolution printing and a sleek epoxy dome finish that elevates your logo with clean, sharp details. Here's a quote I love. "The best marketing doesn't feel like marketing." So picture this. It's late afternoon at a conference. Phones are dying. People are exchanging contacts, scanning badges, booking meetings. Someone near you says, "Does anyone here have a charger?" You hand them this cable. Relief. They plug it in. Then you say, "Here's the magic. Now tap it." And when they tap, your show special appears. Your booking page opens. Your product demo loads instantly. And here's the thing. That moment doesn't feel like a sales pitch. It feels thoughtful and useful. And that's the difference. You solved a real problem. You added value first, and your brand became part of a helpful moment. That's not pushy. That's smart marketing. One tap instantly opens your site, unlocks a special offer, captures a lead, or registers for an upcoming event. And yes, because it's NFC enabled, you can update the link anytime. New campaign, same cable. Smarter strategy and continuous engagement. Now your brand isn't just charging devices, it's powering connections. I'm Irina with Branded Innovations, and we help brands turn everyday essentials into interactive experiences people actually remember. Thank you so much for watching. If this sparked an idea, make sure you subscribe and share this with someone who's looking for fresh ways to promote their business. Trust me, they will thank you later. And if you're ready to give your next campaign something people will actually use, merch that powers devices, drives engagement, and leaves a lasting impression, book your strategy call and let's create smart, interactive items that bring your brand to life.